Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to use our Marketo connector. First we have to create the connector, so you go to Systems, Connections, big green button to create new. We will call this Marketo. And under Type, if we just start typing it, it's right there under an API. Okay, name, Marketo, and the API key that we need. You can get this information from wherever your Marketo information is at, and then hit save. And there is the connector. Now let's create a table here real quick using this connector. So big green button again, add a new table. It's already filled in. We'll name it Marketo. And we will put this in test tables. Backup, we'll throw never. Go next. Select which data we wish to pull. We'll choose leads this time, as well as an update frequency. We're just on do once. Then hit save. You can see it's pulling in the information. So just wait here for a little bit. And there we go, 201 records have been successfully added. So open this up like so. And there we go. There's all the information pulled directly from Marketo using our Marketo connector. So hope you enjoy and have a good day.